Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hairstyle ideas for women over 60. Age does not stop you from looking stylish. In fact, this is perfect time to choose a hairstyle that is comfortable, elegant and easy to manage. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner, softer or even a little dry. That is completely normal. The secret is to choose a haircut that adds volume and frames your face nicely. The first haircut idea is the short layered cut. Short layers hair is very easy to care for. Layers make the hair look fuller and give it movement. This style is perfect if you want something simple but modern. You can style it quickly and it still looks neat and fresh. Another popular style is the classic bob cut. A bob is always in fashion. It looks clean, classy and elegant. You can keep it to chin length or slightly longer. A soft layered bob can make thin hair look thicker. It also looks beautiful with natural grey or white hair. Pixie cuts are also a great choice for women over 60. A pixie cut is short and very easy to maintain. It gives a confident and smart look. You can keep it simple or add soft layers on top of extra volume. If you prefer medium length hair, shoulder length style is perfect. Add light layers to create shape and movement. You can keep it straight for a polished look or add soft curls for a gentle and feminine style. Bangs can make also a big difference. Side swept bangs soften the face and can make you look younger. Cotton bangs are also very trendy and give a modern touch without too much effort. For women who love long hair, you can still keep it long after 60. Just make sure to trim it regularly and keep it healthy. Soft waves or loose curls make long hair look elegant and graceful. Now let's talk about hair color. Many women over 60 choose the color to keep their natural gray hair. Gray hair looks beautiful and confident. You can also add soft highlights to give it more definition and shine. Hair care is very important at this age. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner made for mature or dry hair. Avoid too much heat styling. Use hair oil or a deep conditioner once a week to keep your hair soft and shiny. The most important thing is confidence. Choose a hairstyle that matches your personality and lifestyle. If you are active and busy, go for something low maintenance. If you love styling your hair, choose a cut that gives you more options. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.